Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Patrons. So guys, in this video I have beautiful collection of home decor or making the simple little decoration things from the crochet. There's so many designs in this video. You will love the video, you will love the ideas and designs which are shared in this video. You will definitely make these little things for your house to make your house beautiful and full of colors and patterns. You can see from the crochet you can make any character, any design, any decoration piece. There's so many beautiful ideas in this video. You can make things for your children room or your drawing room or any kind of corner from your house. These kind of characters you can make for your little one's room, so you can just make their room bright and full of colors and designs. You can buy stuff from the market, but they are super expensive, so I just recommend don't waste too much money on these kind of little things you can make, or just order from the people who are working on crochet. These are super easy and comfortable and reasonable for you, and really good on your pockets. They are amazing addition you can add to your house. You can make these kind of plants or anything and place them on the siders or side tables or in your balcony. Make beautiful decoration on your balcony, or these kind of flowers you can just place it in a vase, and you can place the vase on your drawing rooms. These kind of little cushions or these beautiful cups can be make this crochet art. You can make these kind of bouquet. There are so many options in this video. You can make these stuffed toys for your little one's room and make them a beautiful cozy room. You can make these kind of cactus and flowers hangings on your balcony or any your side tables. These kind of things bring the colors and brightness to your house, to your simple looking corners. They make beautiful and bright. These coffee and biscuits combination are really amazing. You can add to your daughter's room, or these little cactus. They are super cute and stylish. There is no limit of designs and patterns for the decoration pieces of crochet. I just gathered some of them and I hope you will love them. I hope you will enjoy watching these videos and you will use these ideas while making the beautiful things or accessories for your house. Guys, I bring these kind of ideas, collect these kind of ideas for you to give you idea about the trending designs of crochet. I hope you liking them. Please let me know in the comment and share your feedback so that I can improve myself, improve my videos. I can just make more videos according to your need and likeness. I hope you will just share your views and you will share my video with your friends so that they can also use these ideas when they are making their crochet patterns. You can make these little characters and designs from the crochet. Your children will love them, and they will love to place these kind of things in their room. You can make any kind of flower from the crochet and it really looks the real one. But when these kind of flowers can be made and give, you can just give as a gift to your loved ones, they will just keep these beautiful things with them, and they can keep these things for the whole life because they cannot be spoiled. They are so soft and so amazing. There's so many ideas in this video. You can make these little things when you are free at your home, and it will enhance the beauty and brightness of your house. You can see the flower patterns and the designs in this video are really amazing, really looking like a real one. I hope guys you're liking the video, enjoying the content which I share with you on the daily basis on my channel. If you're liking them, please let me know in the comment and subscribe to the channel so that I can make beautiful more collection for you. And let me know what else you want to watch, what else about the crochet, the things which you are interested. I hope you're liking the collection. As you can see, all the designs are really amazing and really bright, and with the beautiful graphics and the character on them. You can make these beautiful things for your balcony, for your drawing room, or your bedrooms. They are super soft and beautiful, with a beautiful collection that brings colors and cuteness to your house. These little flower pots are looking amazing, and you can place them on your side tables. These little plants are really looking like a real plants. They are super amazing, and I hope you're liking the content, liking the video. Please share this video with your friends so that they can also use these ideas while making their projects. Till then, just stick to my channel, wait for my upcoming videos so that I can share beautiful ideas with you on my channel. Thank you.